Good evening. This is Kelly with the vlog coming at you again for January 17th, 2022. Today in this powerful YouTube video, I was going to talk about how you really grow your YouTube channel. Well, for about the last 7 months to 6 months, I have made most of my videos in the car. So this time, I'm a little under the weather and I haven't been feeling my best. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to make my YouTube video in the house. I'm sorry that it's a little dark in the room here. The video quality is not the best, but I'm not feeling my best and I just don't want to be in the car right now. So a while back, I got a comment on my channel to say that somebody wanted to know all my YouTube secrets. Well, I'm going to tell the truth and I'm going to reveal the real secret, how you really grow your YouTube channel. A lot of people think that you have to promote your videos on Fiverr, Promote, and Propagate. No, you don't. The best way to promote your channel is just organically. I've been on Facebook. I have this every day where I have people try to message me and they try to ask me, they want to promote my channel. And then they always try to ask me for $50 for 500 subscribers, saying that they will watch my videos. Well, truth being told, I did this a while back and I did a promotion for 1,000 subscribers. And what happened is most of the people do not watch my YouTube videos. So I just wanted to say that does not work. So if you really want to grow your channel, the best thing you can do is just do engagement on Facebook. You join all the groups on Facebook, you interact with people, and you try to make friends, and then you all try to help each other. And that's the way it's supposed to be. And truth being told, 6 months ago, 5 months ago, that's what I should have done after I was monetized. But of course, me being the frustrated individual that I am and not being patient, I chose to go down a little bit of a dangerous path. So there for a while, truthfully, my channel actually was demonetized for about 3 weeks. I earned no revenue because of doing this hogwash on Fiverr, Propagate, and Promote. So now I'm going to answer the truth how you really do it when you're promoting your channel. You don't do any kind of video promotions on your channel because all of it is just doesn't work. It doesn't get you money. And then in the end, you're getting lied to. And that's basically what happened to me on my channel. And that's why for the last 3 days, I've just basically been in the house and I've kind of just been kicking myself in the rear end because of what I did before. So just to save you all any aggravation, if you're thinking about doing a video promotion, please don't do it. It's not worth your money. All it's going to do is make your wife mad, and then you're just going to have stress on paying your bills. That's the truth. So just keep doing what you're doing. I wanted to make this video because I had a couple people said they wanted to know my secrets about YouTube. Well, that's the truth. So you have to just do everything organically, and then you have to try to make friends. And then if you make Facebook friends, and then you just can grow like that, and as long as you give your videos a good SEO and good content, you over time will grow your channel. But yes, it does take about a year. Some people it may take longer. But the more you upload a video, the more engagement that you will get. You just have to keep your mouth clean. Don't say anything negative in your videos, and don't put any negative content in your YouTube channel. And I just wanted to say that in today's video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, give me thumbs up. And as always, just do everything organically.